This event is a one-day course designed for consultant pathologists, trainee pathologists, and biomedical scientists who are interested to start and pursue a career in research and trials. We have a fully exciting and inspiring program with many expert trainees and consultant pathologists and a statistician as well, providing their own expertise in the field. If you want to know more about research design and statistics, if you want to understand about the quality issues associated with research and trials, how funding works in this context and how costing is done, then we have the right course for you. We will have a stimulating discussion during lunchtime, a long one, with experts from different fields, where you will have the opportunity to network and discuss your own research ideas, and also to learn from experts as to how they made it into the world of research and trials. And you will, on top of that, have 4 CPD credits from the Royal College of Pathologists. Myself, the organizing committee, and the speakers will be there at the Coin Street Conference Center on the 9th of February to welcome you to this event. We all would love to see you there.